Welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking, and today what I'm going to show you is my cheese-filled brownies. So what I did is I preheated my oven to 350. I have two 8-ounce packages of cream cheese that I have at room temperature. So I'll open up the first box. I'll place it in my glass bowl. I'll get a spatula and scrape off any cheese that's stuck to the foil. I'll open up my second box. And I'll scrape that one as well. To this cheese mixture, I have 2 eggs that I had at room temperature, and all I need is the egg yolks. So I'll put the egg whites in one bowl and then place the yolks in with the cream cheese. And to this cheese mixture, I'll add in 6 tablespoons of sugar, and 6. These cheese-filled brownies are so good. So now I'll mix the cheese mixture until nice and fluffy and creamy. Make sure to scrape down your side so that everything is mixed well. So I'll take my spatula and just go around my bowl. And see, this is what it should look like. So now I'll place that off to the side. In another bowl, I'll prepare these 2 boxes of brownie mix. I picked up the fudge type brownie mix, so I'll make it according to the directions on the box. I'm making these cheese-filled brownies for an office party. They're a friend of mine, so they asked me to make some brownies, so I figured I'd spruce it up and make it cheese-filled brownies. They're really, really good and yummy, and it's quick and easy, and I just love these brownies, so I know that they're going to enjoy them. I'm using my extra large muffin pan without the paper liner, so spray your muffin pan really well. You don't want the brownie mixture to stick. Fill the muffin pan about 1/3 of the way up with the brownie mix, then a tablespoon of the cheese mixture, and top with brownie mix. Continue until all 12 muffin pans are filled. Make sure the cheese mixture is covered. You don't want it exposed. I like making these cheese-filled brownies in the muffin pan. This way here, everyone gets their own individual cheese-filled brownie. You can top the brownies with ganache if you'd like. It's optional. I made 6 cheese-filled brownies plain and then 6 cheese-filled brownies with the ganache frosting. So this way here they have a choice. I'm filling my muffin pan 1/3 of the way up with the brownie mixture. Once I have it filled with the brownie mixture, then I'll place a tablespoon of the cheese mixture on top and fill the rest of the way with the brownie mixture. You want to make sure that all the cheese is covered. And you'll see how nice these come out. So it's just a tablespoon. and pour the brownie mixture on top, making sure it's all covered. So now I'll place it off to the side and start on my second muffin pan. Fill it a third of the way up, and then a tablespoon of the cheese mixture, and fill the rest of the way with the brownie mix. These cheese-filled brownies are so quick and easy to make. Once your muffin pans are filled, place in your oven on 350 and bake for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until your toothpick comes out clean. Remember, all ovens vary, so keep an eye on them. You don't want to burn them. Make sure to scrape your bowl so you get all of this wonderful brownie mix. Wipe up any that may have spilled on top because you don't want that on there because it'll burn and smell. And see, this is what it should look like. So now I'll place it in my oven. It's been 15 minutes, so now I'm taking my brownies out of the oven. Don't they look good? I'll place it on top of my stove. It smells good. And I'll wait for them to cool before I put ganache frosting on 6 of them, and then I'll place them on my platter. Before I bring these to the party, I'm going to try a bite. Oh yeah. Oh, so good. Oh, I love these cheese-filled brownies. Super duper delicious. Trying to talk with a mouthful. They are so good, so cheesy, and so gooey because they're fudge brownies. Really, really good. They're gonna love these. Thanks for watching me make my cheese-filled brownies. They're super duper delicious. Please like me on Facebook under Cheryls Home Cooking and follow me on Twitter under Home Cooking with C. I'll see you next video. Bye-bye.